Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to register on Quotex step by step, and more importantly how to avoid the small mistakes that confuse most beginners right after sign up. So if you want to get started quickly and not waste time figuring things out, this will help. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I've prepared a special bonus for you. By the way, if you want to save time, you can use the link below. It will take you directly to the official Quotex page so you can register faster and get started without extra steps. First, go to the official Quotex website and click on the sign up button. You'll see a simple form where you need to enter your email and create a password. Now here's the first important detail. Always use a real email that you actually check, because in the next step Quotex will send you a confirmation link, and without that your account won't be fully activated. You can also register using your Google account, which is faster and avoids extra steps. Once you submit the form, go to your email and confirm your account. After logging in, you'll land on the main platform interface, and this is where many beginners get stuck. Not because it's complicated, but because they try to do everything immediately. Instead, take a minute and look around. You'll see the chart in the center, the asset list and the control panel. Try clicking through different sections, switch assets, open the menu and explore the layout. This is important because once you understand where everything is, the platform becomes much easier to use. One thing Quotex does really well is keeping the interface clean. You're not overloaded with unnecessary elements, which makes it easier to focus. So what should you do after registration? Simple. Complete the sign up, confirm your email, and spend a few minutes exploring the platform before doing anything else. And here's something that can actually make your start easier. When you register through the right link, platforms like Quotex often provide a bonus when you top up your balance. This gives you more flexibility when you decide to move forward instead of starting from zero. So instead of just creating an account anywhere, it makes sense to start with a platform that gives you that advantage. If you want to register, check the link in the description. You'll get a good bonus to your balance when you top up your account, available from our channel when you register through the link, which will give you a better start. I'll also help you personally with a free consultation so you can avoid beginner mistakes. That way you don't just sign up, you start smarter.